Hello people, welcome to my channel and page. Today's recipe is original authentic native banga soup. Guys, you don't want to miss this video. Please watch this video from the start to the end and also help me to share as well. We all know banga soup is originally from Delta State, so I am going to show you how I prepared mine. Enjoy watching. These are the banga spices that I'm going to use. I have this banga spices here and the other one as well. This is what we actually know more. I have also the chin leaves and my blended crayfish. I hope I pronounced that right. In my pot is my already cooking meat. I added the scotch bonnet pepper and all the banga spices to it, including the crayfish as well. I also added some calabash nutmeg. Sorry, I didn't show that. I added it later on. So I'm going to add water to it, stir carefully. After stirring, I'm going to, of course, cover it and let it cook, like continue cooking. Guys, this soup is so delicious. The soup is given. So this is my banga. It is 800 gram. I'm going to pour it in the bowl and add some hot water to it. I'm going to do that because I want all the trash, like the dirt, not to go in when pouring the banga in the pot. Okay, so I'm going to filter it. As you can see, that is the dirty particles that I don't want to enter my soup, so I just remove that. I'm going to stir now and then cover to let cook. Guys, banga soup is very easy to prepare. It is not difficult. So I added my blended dry pepper to it. Guys, I love eating pepper. What is African food without pepper? So I added also some seasoning. I'm going to, of course, turn off my heat and add a little amount of salt and then stir carefully. I decided to turn off the heat because I don't want the soup to splash all over, okay? So that's the reason for that. Now I'm going to add my fresh fish and also my dried fish. Please guys, make sure you cook your banga soup with dried fish and smoked fish, okay? Like fresh fish or smoked fish, whichever one, but please add fish to it. It gives it that unique taste and aroma. So I removed my meat that was cooking in the pot because I don't want my meat to be too soft, like too overcooked. I'm going to pour it in now, and after pouring it, I'm going to stir carefully. Remember, the meat is already cooked. I removed my dried fish because I don't want it to scatter. So I removed it so that I can be able to turn my soup very well. So now I added a little more amount of salt because the salt was not enough. So that's it, guys. I'm going to cover it and let it cook for some minutes. And that's it, guys. That's how I prepare this delicious banga soup you are seeing here. I ate my banga soup with starch, correct hot starch. We all know that banga soup is also best eaten with starch. You can use any swallow of your choice. It is fine as well. Please follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple and help me to share, like, and comment as well. Thank you so much and bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.